Alright, hey guys, welcome to another update on crypto. So today I'll be educating you guys on how to avoid rug pulls, meme coin rug pulls. Okay, because most of you guys, you know, love the idea of making money through meme coins. Personally, I don't because there is no fundamental analysis or technical analysis that will prepare you for what will happen when you trade meme coins, because it's pure sentiment, no utility. Okay, but if meme coins is your thing, then by all means you have to know this. Okay, so this platform is called Dex2. Okay, this platform is called Dex2. Okay, it has an app, it has a website, dextools.io. You can download the app. Okay, why is it important for you to download the app? Okay, when you download the app, okay, it helps you to look at the coin that you are looking to invest or buy and ask yourself whether you will be at risk of being rug pulled. So we're going to start with one obvious coin that somebody told me about yesterday, and I looked at it and it was obvious that the coin is, you know, might be a rock pool if peradventure. Okay, I'm not saying it is, but it gives all the signs of a rock pool. So here's how to avoid. So let's look at this coin. Hold on. Okay, OIPL. Yeah. All right. So hold on. All right. So let's look at this coin, for example. Okay. Let's look at this coin, for example. So now there's nothing wrong with a coin having low liquidity, okay? Especially if it's a coin that doesn't have, major backing, and the developer is trying his best to build a coin that has utility or that can add value to the marketplace, but it doesn't have the financial muscle to do so. And because he doesn't have anybody that will help him break the gatekeeping and get him into the room with people that are, you know, financing some of these meme coins. So let's look at this coin. Okay. So the coin currently has a price of 0.005575. Okay. Now let's look at some important information, which is here on this side of the screen, which is the market cap, liquidity, circulating supply. Okay. Now, if you an interesting thing is if you look at the market cap, for those of you who always look at market cap, okay, I'll do a video about market cap very soon. I've done a video about market cap, but I'll soon do a video about market cap so that you avoid getting, you know, scammed because of market cap. Now, if you look at this coin, it has a 4.9, let's call it 4,950,000 market cap. So $4.9 million market cap. But look at the liquidity. The liquidity is $1,000. Liquidity is $1,000. Now, when you look at this, you will ask yourself, how come it has very low liquidity but a high market cap? Well, it's based because of the price. Because if you look at the price of the coin is sitting at. Hold on, all right. So the price of the coin is sitting at 0.005575. If you do your calculation based on the circulating supply it has, you will has that market cap. Because what is market cap? Market cap, okay. So when you multiply 0.005572 and you multiply it, 800. So let's just do it here. So 888 880 million, or 880 million, correct, okay, multiplied by 0.005573. So you see, this is the market cap, 4.9 million. By right, this coin with this liquidity, okay, we should have at least an extra zero, or have 4 zeros, okay, should have an extra 0 or 4 0, making it either it has 0.0005573, or 0.000 4 zeros, that is 0.0000573. But that aside, okay, now the main issue here is when you look at the holdings. Already you see it has, it has 161 holders. But when you look at the top holders, now this is the most important point, okay, to avoid being rock pulled, okay. So if you look at the total supply, the number of holders, one wallet alone is holding 69.99%. So which means that this value 3 million for 3 million and 46 $3.4 million, okay, cannot be exchanged because there is only $1,000 involved. Okay, now what of a situation whereby the holder of the market, the liquidity is high, okay, because I've seen situations whereby the liquidity is high, and let's say the liquidity is $1 million. Now let me see if I can get another example. Okay, another example, because people contact me and they ask me these questions, and when I look at the whole number of holders, you find out that it's actually a red flag. Okay, when you look at the size of the liquidity and the size of the holders, you find out that if one person happens to swap, the whole liquidity is gone and the prices come crashing. Okay, I can't seem to find any. So okay, so let's go to the home page. Okay, let's look at some coins. Let's also look at some new coins. Okay, because you will mostly find that with new coins. Okay. So let's go meme. Created 7 months ago, 1 year ago, 3 years ago, 4 months ago. Alright, let's okay, this coin has a market cap of $8.9 million. So let's look at it. Oh, liquidity is even 0 point. Okay, so liquidity is even 0 point, so there is no liquidity. Meanwhile, it has a market cap of what? 8.72. So, and the supply is 95 trillion, or is it 1 trillion? Alright, let's go back. Let's see if I can look at another coin. Trying to find new coins that were just created. All right, so let's look at this coin called Alon, for example. You can see liquidity is showing $10 million. Okay, liquidity is showing $10 million. Market cap is showing $69 million as market cap. Total supply is almost a billion. Okay, and you have the price at $0.069 per coin. Now, when we look at the holders, you find out that you find out that the holders already the liquidity is $10 million, but one person already has 4.28 million. Okay, another person has 1.79 million, another person has 1.12 million, another person has 973. So my major concern, I don't know whether the first one is a contract address. Okay, now if it's not a contract address and it's an individual's address, then you have cause to worry, because one sell from this person, the price of the coin will tank. Okay, now let's look at another coin based GPT. Okay, let's look at another coin based GPT. Market cap is sitting at 79,000. So the liquidity is sitting at $79,000. Security supply is almost a billion. Okay, and you have the market cap at $312,000. Now this is sensible. Okay, this is most realistic. Okay, because you see the price 0.0003125. Now let's look at the holders. Let's look at the holders. Now you have the holders, you have one person having 12.99%. Now let me say again, I don't know if this is an address, a contract address, okay, or a liquidity pool. I don't know if this is a liquidity pool, okay. But even at that, you have this person having $14,000. So which means a huge sale will cause the price to drop, because liquidity is already sitting at $79,000. Okay, so which means, okay, so if to avoid rogue pools or people dumping, okay, you have to look at the top wallet to see what they are holding. Okay, and find out, do your analysis to find out if these are actually people locked coins, or people can easily sell. Then if you believe in the project and you want to put in money, then you go ahead and put in. I'm not saying not invest, I'm saying learn how to look at these things, then make your informed decision to know whether to take the risk or not to take the risk. Now the last one is BSOP. Okay, alright, so let me look at this. So this one has a liquidity of $85,000, total supply of almost a billion, market cap is sitting at 763,000. Not bad. This makes more sense. The price suits the liquidity and the market cap. So let's go and look at holders, top holders. Now you have one person already having 5.74%, which is not bad, and the value of the coin they are holding is $44,000. Now in comparison, okay, in comparison to the liquidity, that is already half. Okay, now let's say this wallet is a contract address or maybe a liquidity pool, we don't know. Okay, you can look at the following addresses. You have this at 21,000, 13,000, 9,000. So at the end of the day, you find out that if the first three wallets sell off, this liquidity is gone. Okay, so what am I saying? Learn to use this tool, dex tool, to look at these trends. These are things you'll be paying attention to, not the market cap. These are things you're paying attention to before you decide to buy any coin. At least if you're buying a coin, you're buying it out of merit, because you've done your research and you found out that the coin has long-term plans and nobody is going to rock pull you, and maybe the top wallet being held by a contract on a contract. Okay, because if it's not in a contract and it's a normal wallet, then you have cause to worry. So That's it for this video. Just want to show you guys how you can use dex tools. Okay, how you can use dex tools to, avoid being, have been dumped on. Okay, which is another form of rug pull. Rug pull is normally is when you remove liquidity from the liquidity pool, but these days with people launching on meme pads, okay, you find out that dumping is um, dumping on community is kind of becoming the new rug pull. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have your own thoughts and opinion contrary to what I said, feel free to say. Like I said, I'm not asking you not to buy these coins. I'm just teaching you how to read and know what risk you are taking by looking at the price, looking at the market cap, looking at the liquidity, most importantly. Okay? Alright, guys, take care and bye for now.